Hello, my name is Lidis Maria Mesa Cadena. In this video, I will talk about my last trip experience. Trip to the Coliseum in Roma, Flavian and Peter. Last week I decided to travel to the city of Roma with my family, my parents, Jose and Adelaida, husband Eli, and my son Eli Khaled, which was wonderful experience with my loved ones. It all started on a plane trip from Bogota with Stopover, a stopover in Madrid and then to Roma, Italy. We would arrive in Roma. The first sight beside was the Coliseum in Roma. A spectacular and historical place that represents the ancient power of the city. We also attended events papal mass, a guided tour of the Museum on Roma, a tour of the Amalfi Coast, and visit to one of the most beautiful parks in the city known as Villa Borghese. For that trip we then outsold on millions pesos, while with the cover on experience included the stay Vietnam and Atlantis in Roma hostel, as well as the Gracie and Graciela Feliz Tastot restaurant, one of the best restaurants to the end in the city Roma. Finally blessed him as they live in this beautiful experience in which we mix new place, culture, concepts, and people which we saw a down wall repeats again, because I had not word or explain what this adventure really was. The family trip that was my last week to the city of Rome was a unique and unforgettable experience in world life full of pleasant memories. Thank you very much.